like a rhythm in me. Grandmother whisper, picnic no forget. The ones where shape you, them not dead yet. Mo want go further than the eye can hold. Reinvent the story but keep the soul. The world out there strange, the road them new. Still every step me take, me step for you. Me no leave my roots, me carry them like wings. The blood of the elders run through everything. When me face the unknown, me no afraid. The strength them give me now go fade. I am the river and the mountain stone. The river flows, the stone holds on. New seeds planted in the ancient bone, ancient bone. I don't break, I bend, I grow. Bend and grow from where I come from. This is how I know. Change, them might call me different. My name stay the same, like the dopey tree stands through every storm. Roots go down deep while me rise up tall. Papa sweat and struggle just to give me light. Now me take that light, I'ma burn it bright. Not to run from where me come from, no. To prove them sacrifice was worth the road. Me no leave my roots, me carry them like wings. The blood of the elders run through everything. When me face the unknown,